In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage the zoom feature while you're working with your WordPress website using the Chrome browser. Whether you're working on content creation or tweaking your website design, having control over your page's zoom can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have your WordPress website or editor open in Chrome. Using Chrome is quite beneficial for this because it offers a range of shortcuts that make navigating and adjusting your view easier. Now, once you have your website loaded up and you're ready to make some adjustments, the first step is to zoom in for a closer look. You can achieve this by pressing Ctrl and the plus key on your keyboard if you're using a Windows computer. For those of you on a Mac, simply substitute Ctrl with Command. This simple shortcut will increase the size of everything on the page, giving you a clearer view of your content or any intricate designs you're working on. If using the keyboard is not your preferred method, or if you're searching for an alternative way to adjust your zoom, you can also use your mouse. This involves holding down the Control key and scrolling up with your mouse wheel. This method offers a bit more nuanced control over how much you zoom in, allowing you to find just the right level of detail without having to take your eyes off the screen. It's worth mentioning that playing around with the zoom feature can significantly enhance your editing process, especially if you're someone who likes to see everything up close. However, it's also important to be able to easily revert back to the default view. If you ever feel like the page is zoomed in too much or you want to return to the normal view where you can see the entire layout, resetting is straightforward. You simply need to press Ctrl+0. Again, that's Command+0 for Mac users. This command will instantly revert your zoom settings back to the default, no matter how far in or out you've adjusted the view. Being comfortable with these shortcuts really allows you to navigate WordPress with more precision and confidence. It might take a little practice to remember which keys to hit, but with each use, it will start to become second nature. Experimenting with these zoom features can make a considerable difference in how you manage your workspace and interact with your website projects. So next time you're editing your WordPress site, try these shortcuts and discover how much they can streamline your workflow. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and make sure to check back for more tips and tricks in the world of website development.